Hello everybody. This is a picture of my balcony. Um, I just really enjoy it. And here's the water fountain. I'm not a water fountain, excuse me. Isn't that neat looking? I love fountains. I love to hear them. They calm me down. Water, hearing running water is very calming. I just really, it's nice to come out here and just sit and read and enjoy the beauty. And this pine, the pine branches, they light up at night. I have them on a timer, and I really enjoy them. Enjoy watching them, looking at them. And this beautiful hydrangea, my Aunt Bev gave to my mom. She bought it at Costco last year, April 22nd, 2011. She bought it before that, about a week or two before. And it's just so beautiful. It's a very old plant, hydrangeas. I just love the balls on them. Got it on the side there. Just beautiful. And it's a petunia. Petunias are very hardy in the summertime. And there's my flag. I love flags. And I like to feed. The birds need water too. They get dehydrated, just like our bodies do. And the birds better appreciate me. I'm sure they do. I feed them all the time. I have sunflower chips in the feeder. And there's my hummingbird feeder. I see about 2 hummingbirds come to it. And that is a nesting box you see on the side of the balcony. My little pumpkin. I just keep it out here. I'll keep it out here all year long. I love the pumpkin face. I walk over here. I have a little stone that says faith on it, and love. It's on the butterfly. It says love. And that's a lily. This is a lily you see in the center there. And the other one says hope. The other butterfly says hope and a joy. stone, it says Joy on it. Well, this is my balcony. And this is a hill in the back. It is a big hill. See a little bird activity there. And my sister Sue bought me when I moved in, she bought me these 2 chairs, and I have and a table. 2 little end tables.